There's a hyena right next to us. Hello, Mischief. You just chase the hyenas away. I mean, the lions away. The stations, the Mafazis had a bumbo in the middle of this block. The Misia have jointed it, and the Mafazis now running to the northeast. I'm in a very thick block. I can't follow up. I don't know if anyone wants to check around Buffelshoek cut line, Gowrie cut line, that area. Whew. That was hectic. And the vulture's just playing a patience game. This has absolutely been the most incredible sighting, and there's a hyena almost under my bonnet. Now, if there had been a male with those lionesses, or if the whole pride had been present, Chelsea, welcome to the dramatic sunrise safari that we have happening here, playing out in front of us. Yes, absolutely, if there were more lions, they would have been able to hold off the hyena. But two lionesses on their own, particularly pregnant lionesses, are just not quite capable of that level, of putting up that level of defense when faced with what's probably around, a couple of them have dispersed, but it was probably around 10 hyenas when I first arrived. Most of them are the sub-adults that we've been watching over the last few months. I'm struggling to recognize each and every individual because it's so difficult to see. Let's now reposition, now that we no longer have a hyena under our front wheels. It wasn't even a small kill either. Shame those poor lionesses. They probably moved off to feed the cubs, and they left what was an entire fully grown female buffalo, coming back to find that it had pretty much been consumed. Now, when we first arrived, what first alerted me was the whooping contact calls of the hyenas calling for reinforcements to make sure that they had the numbers to fend off the lionesses. And we could also hear the growling and the anger from those lionesses. Sorry. You know, for very intelligent animals, the flight of a vulture should not really have provoked that. I mean, they just chased off two lionesses. A flying vulture isn't really that much of a threat. Especially a hooded vulture.
3, 2, 1.
Whilst trying to break free, the unfortunate topi has broken one of its hind legs. Its fate is now sealed. Reinforcement is on its way. The battle is over. But now a different struggle begins. Dominant clan members get first choice at the kill, starting with the alpha female. But in the initial excitement, the buffet turns into a scrum as everyone tries to get a piece of the meal. The mothers now need to assert their position at the kill and ensure their older cubs get a share. Hyenas don't carry food back to the den, and the growing youngsters need more than just their mother's milk. News of the feast spreads quickly, and clan members now appear from every direction. The lowest-ranking members of the clan, especially the males, wait anxiously on the sidelines.
Sisi wajinga isee. Sasa wajinga ndio nasa hivi. Wewe anakufa sasa hivi. Ona mtoto. Kuna simba hapo. Anakuja. Kwa anakosa. Hapa anasali. Anasali ile vivuli. Sisi yule kule ndio hapo ndio tulipoanza kumuona sisi. Tunajua ni mtu wapi. Jojo, wewe Jojo yeye. Kama timu 80 itakuwa matokeo Simba. Anawapokonya hao. Ina maana Simba akija sasa hivi hapa watakimbia. Wataenda kuinda tena sehemu nyingine. Mwalimu yule bosi alikuwa kung'anizi. Ule mbro mnoambia tembo huyu jamaa alikuwa na njaa. Ndio polisi huyu ndio ndio masikia. Hata kigo. Wala jamaa anapopitia. Wala jamaa anapozungukia. Jamaa mbishia. Tembo. Asisi tembo. Kaka Joji hapa. Hamna network ipo inasumbua kidogo. Au tunategemea na sehemu uliokuepo na sehemu uliokuepo mzee. Haya baadaye. Bado mpata maji. Maji.
You see, the baby is very young and the mother has placenta out.
Ja. Oh, das ist es
Just born.
Und das kann das ist erst gerade. Das hat ja noch.
Oh nein! And the hyena knows that.
Aber einfach nicht von meinen Augen.
This one is going to be eaten.
Nicht von meinen Augen.
Therefore, it is just been born.
Ich sehe, das ist gerade
If there
geboren.
were two hyenas, they would eat it.
Aber wieso hilft denn dem nie nicht?
And the hyena knows that this is a
Das ist
newborn.
Natur. Das ist Natur.
Ich will doch trinken. Nein.
It's getting stronger.
Beide auch. I hope.
Hyenas
Jetzt
coming.
kommt sie wieder.
Schau, dort ist nochmal
Schau
eins.
dort hin.
Schau, dort ist nochmal ein Fleises. Das ist jetzt ein dummes Blut. Und jetzt? Siehst du, jetzt stimmt es ein bisschen.
All the sides, all the
Ja, schön.
Even though he was injured, the hyenas were still wary of his vicious bite and fatal kicks. They knew they had to tire him out. And when a hyena grabbed him by the flank, he went down. But he wasn't out. As gruesome as this may be, the hyenas still killed him quicker than lions would do by strangling him. There was no chance for him now, but from somewhere he found some energy and fought back. But with the loss of blood and trauma, there just wasn't any more fight left in him. And by dawn he was just a bloodstain on the grass.